Hey guys, this is Mike from BTR Budget Tech Reviews here. Happy New Year everybody. This is my first video. As you can see here, I'm sporting my New England Patriots hat. Go Pats, playoff time. Just wanted to get a quick video here and a quick unboxing of an item that I just recently got here. Now if you aren't paying attention, right behind me is this 55-inch TV that I just did a, well, not a review video, but an unboxing, kind of a small overview video of the TCL 55-inch Roku TV. But right here is a Super Nintendo Classic Edition that I actually got by accident. Quick story on that before I do the unboxing, etc. I was returning an item at Best Buy. I was actually in the return line at the customer service. I was returning a solid state drive for a Mac Mini that I was going to upgrade, but I decided too much effort and I didn't want to mess up the actual computer. So I saw like two of these and I thought they were just display boxes, and I was like, what the heck? So the person ahead of me, I saw them take one, and I was like, I asked the lady right after he left, are they for sale? And sure enough, the lady said, oh yeah, this is the last one. And she also told me that they're not selling them after January or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, this is the Super Nintendo Classic. Let's get a better look of this really quick. So here it is, the Super Nintendo Classic Edition. Again, I got this by accident, and just to show you the box, it's not too big actually. Here's my PlayStation control. Here's the box, so this is going to be small. So I'm going to leave this here just for comparison purposes, but as you can see here, it comes with all these games in the back already. 70 some games plus Star Fox 2, which is a game I never got to play. It was a game that was only released in Japan. F-Zero Classic, Super Metroid, Star Fox, The Legend of Zelda, Super Mario World. All these games I played as a kid. You even have Mega Man X, the original, which is amazing. Okay, so I have a pair of scissors here. I don't know if I'm going to need it or not, but let's see. I'm going to get this open for you guys. So, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of, I was going to say bajillion. There's going to be a lot of unboxing videos of this on YouTube, but this is my YouTube channel, so if you subscribe to me, hey, kudos to you for watching my unbox video. And again, I don't know how long these systems are going to sell, or for how long. Here, let me adjust the camera there. And I was really lucky to get one. Excuse the shakiness. Right here, again, it's just a manual or guide. Super Mario World with 96 levels, yada yada yada. Okay, so wow, and this is pretty compact and tight, but here is what looks to be, I don't know if it looks like a charging cable for a phone. It's got a USB end, and here's the actual console itself. Oh my goodness. And when I tell you it's tiny, guys, because I'm telling you. Here's the actual console itself. Here is my PlayStation 4 controller, and I can get you an Xbox controller, but why do that, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, so again, I'm just putting these up next to each other for comparison. Literally, this is the mini console, and this is kind of awesome actually. You have the HDMI port in the back, you have your DC in, which is that little power plug that I just showed you. And so, to my surprise, let's see what else comes in the box. I'm going to kind of put this to the side. Let's put the PlayStation control away so it doesn't take away from the Super Nintendo NES of this. So I'm 31 years old, guys, and this is the system I used to play as a child. I of course had the original Nintendo Entertainment System, which was the NES, and I never got the NES Classic, which is unfortunate because those were crazy to get also. But again, well, check out the controllers. This is bringing back some stuff from the past right here. Very nostalgic, and they're about the same size, if I'm not correct. It feels like, almost like the original, just minus the connectors over here, which are a tad bit different. And I have no clue where to plug them in, actually. I don't know if these are for show or what, but as you can see here, the ending connectors are a lot different than what you see in the front of the actual console here. Unless this is fake. This has got to be fake, right, guys? No, there has to be a way to like slide these or something like that. But anyway, look at that. That's crazy. You can actually turn that on. Okay, so here's the second remote. Let's see what else this comes with really quick. Okay, so as you can see here, it just comes with your typical, looks like that little power cord connection, and of course an HDMI cable, which I will probably need. But yeah, this is pretty interesting, guys. Let me see if I can get this hooked up. So I have the Nintendo Classic, the Super Nintendo Classic set up here, and again, it's so tiny. Look at that. The control's bigger than the system, guys. If you're looking to buy the system to play with your old Super Nintendo games, unfortunately, Buster, there's no actual port on here to actually put in your original games. So this, from the looks of it, just has just whatever games that are installed in it, which is like 70 plus games, but usually they install the most popular games. So I'm gonna move my camera back just a little bit, and let's see. Here's my big TV again. I'm gonna turn this thing on, see if it works. Okay, you can see that the little power light turned on. Okay, so here we go, camera adjustment time. There we go, let me raise that a little bit. Sorry guys, tripod issues over here. So let's see, I'm gonna probably turn off the light due to the glare. Alright, so here we go. It's already asking me what mode I want this in. Let's do English, because I'm not Italian. Goodness, okay, let's see if I can adjust this here. There we go. Okay, so as you can see here, here's an extensive list of games here. Earthbound, Kirby, Mega Man, oh man. Star Fox 2, and again the controller, which is right here in my hand. Hard to see because it's dark now. Seems pretty cool, seems very responsive. But if you guys are into classic games, this is going to be super fun for you. The classic Super Mario World, and it starts up very easily. Yeah. Alright. So, and again, you know, it's not set to 1080p or whatever. It's gonna play the original games in the resolution that, you know, were started basically, but which is 480p at the time, or 360 or whatever you want to call it. But just so you guys know, this is just a quick overview video, not really a review video, but I hope you guys enjoy my unboxing. I'm gonna get to enjoy some of these classic games right here, as you can see here. Oh man, what's going on? But anyway guys, let's see what's going on here. Oh man, bringing back so much memories, yeah. Alright, anyway, I will catch you guys on the next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, please subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.